Hi everyone, good day, and I'm Jofransay Calivo. I'm from Block 1A. In this video, I would like to share my identity using the two perspectives. The first one is the Socrates belief about innate knowledge. And the second one is about the Carl Rogers theory about the real self and the ideal self. So, let's begin. So, the first theory is the Socrates belief that knowledge is within us. Sabi ni Socrates, lahat ng tao ay may kanya-kanyang mga ideya na nasa kanilang mga isipan, ngunit hindi nila ito napapansin. He used questions to help people that they have already knowledge deep inside. Yung popular example ay yung slave boy sa kwento ni Plato. Na-discover niya yung math problem without being directly taught. But somehow, Socrates helped him through questions. I already experienced that when I'm in my senior high school life journey. So, my teacher in philosophy introduces us the new lesson or the new topic. At first, I thought in myself that I don't have any ideas or any knowledge of it. So, I just realized that you need to dig deeper. So, he keep on asking. That's why I realized something na para bang connected siya sa akin or I've already read it before. So, I realized that Socrates beliefs is true because knowledge is within us. Kailangan na lang natin itong hukayin ng hukayin hanggang sa malalim at makakuha tayo ng mga ideas na nasa ating mga isipan. That's why I believe that we must reflect on what we already know. Kahit bago ang lesson, we're not just empty. We're just rediscovering what's already inside. We're going to the second theory. The second theory is the Carl Rogers theory. Carl Rogers believed that we all have the two sides, which is the real self and the ideal self. So, let's go to the real self. Hi! So, this is the real self of me. So, you might see yourself as a shy person, you don't have confidence or wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo na kaya mong gawin yung mga bagay-bagay, kaya parang ayun yung definition ng real self. So, we are here at the ideal self, the who we want to become in the future. So, para sa akin, kapag align yung ideal self mo sa real self mo, is parang nakikita mo yung improvement ng mga hindi mo nagagawa dati, kung nag-improve ka na ba talaga sa public speaking, na pagsalita sa madaming tao, or ano nga ba yung nag-improve sa'yo. I think it's fulfillment or happiness na parang nakikita mo yung improvement mo sa sarili mo. Carl Rogers said, he also tell us, or he said na mga tao ay naturally good and want to improve more. So, to achieve that, we need the acceptance and the support to other people, especially from our parents, from our families, from our friends and teachers too. This is my personal experience and my personal stories. Ako kasi minsan, I'm doubting myself, especially to achieve my goals in life, that I'm asking myself that, am I good enough to achieve these goals? Especially, I'm not overly confident in myself. I'm always have flaws. I'm always have weakness. So, I believe in myself that I can do it. Especially, the support of the people around me. Especially family, friends, teachers, and instructors that believe in me always that I'm going to the best version of my life. But this theory made me realize na all people have the potential to become better in their life. To conclude these two perspectives, Socrates and Carl Rogers came from different time. Pero, pare-parehas lang silang nagtuturo ng magandang aral, na ang kabutihan at pag-unlad ay nasa atin na. Ngunit sabi ni Socrates na ang kaalaman ay nasa atin na, kailangan lang natin itong tuklasin. Si Carl Rogers naman ay naniniwala na ang bawat tao ay may kakayahang magbago at maging mas mabuti. Kailangan lamang ng pagtanggap at pagsuporta ng bawat isa. Being an educator Hindi lamang pagtuturo ang mahalaga na ituro natin sa mga tao ngayon, ngunit tulungan din natin sila upang madiskubre ang kanilang mga natatagong galing at kanilang mga talento. At the end of the day, education is the key to open multiple doors of opportunities. Para po sa atin, ako po si Jorfans A. Calivo from Block 1A. Thank you so much for watching.